In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account with ANZ Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in anz.com.au and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for ANZ Bank. Now in order to sign up and create a new account, just click on the login button at the top right corner and you will be taken into the login portal. Now in order to create a new account, simply scroll down and click on the register button underneath the login section. Now you will be taken into your account creation page. Now you can type in your customer registration number followed by your 4 to 7 digit tele code. Then you can click on the next button and you will then be asked to fill in all of your credentials. After filling up your credential, you will be allowed to set up your username and email address followed by your password. After setting up your email address and your password, your account will be verified. And then you can use in your newly set up login credentials to log into your ANZ account. You can also click on Try Another Way, and then you can select whether you do have your customer registration or not. You can simply scroll through the next button and provide whatever access they ask, and you will then be asked to enter your card number followed by your PIN. Simply enter your debit card number and your card PIN, and click on the next button and you will be allowed to set up your email address and your password. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account with ANZ Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.